everyone, welcome to Soul Over Mind. Today we are going to discuss about the benefits of Ramphor. So if you're not aware or familiar about Ramphor already, let me tell you that it is a hyper-local fruit. What does hyper-local fruit means, or what does a hyper-local food means? It means that it is something that is locally available to you. It is super local to you, it is not found, like Ramphor is only found in certain regions of India and it is not found anywhere else in the world. It is commonly known as Ramphor only. It does not really have an English name, although it is known as Bullock's Heart in English, but that is not a very commonly known name for it. That is not a very commonly known name for it. Most people know it by the name of Ramphor. So why should you include this in your diet? It's important to eat such local and seasonal fruits. It's seasonal, of course. It is not available throughout the year. It is only available in a particular season. And it is very important to include such seasonal fruits in your diet because these are prebiotic fruits which helps in building diverse gut bacteria. It helps in building and strengthening the good gut bacteria in your gut. Digestion helps in building immunity, good hair, good skin. It helps in for women who face PMS symptoms, who have severe PMS symptoms, period cramps. These prebiotic fruits are very helpful for you. Next is, it is rich in vitamin C, it is rich in vitamin B6, and it is rich in iron as well. So it is also helpful for people who are suffering with anemia. It will help you improve your energy levels. It is also, since it is prebiotic, it will also help in assimilation of all the nutrients. Now, since it is rich in vitamin B6, let's talk about the benefits of vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps in improving your mood. It reduces the symptoms of depression. It helps in preventing. Now, this is a known study that says that if you have vitamin B6 deficiency, you are double at the risk of having a heart disease or clogged arteries. So it will help you prevent these deficiencies. It will help you prevent these diseases. Next, it is not just scientifically tested, it is also time tested. It has been in our tradition, it has been eaten in our culture since ages. It has been named as Ramphor. It has been named after a god. So you should know that our ancestors truly like this fruit since they have named it Ramphor. So we also know for a fact that it will work well for us as well. So do give it a try this season and let me know how are your experiences. Share your pictures eating Ramphor. Let me know how it worked out for you. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment down below. Share and subscribe to my channel, and it would mean really very much to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.